In this video, I'll show you how to increase your laptop speaker volume on Windows 11. Start by going to the bottom right corner of your screen, right-clicking the sound icon, and selecting Open Volume Mixer. First, check your output device. Click the drop-down menu and make sure the correct option is selected, such as your laptop speakers. Next, locate the main volume slider and set it to 100%. Then scroll down to the app section where you'll see individual volume controls for different applications. Make sure the apps you're using also have their volume set to 100%, since lower app volumes can cause overall sound to seem quiet even when the system volume is high. If you still need more volume, you can boost it further using a free app. Open your preferred browser and search for FX Sound. Go to the official website and download the Windows version. If the main download button doesn't work, scroll down to find alternative links. Once the setup file finishes downloading, open it and follow the installation steps. After launching FX Sound for the first time, select the correct speaker from the drop-down menu. Then, go to the General section on the left and choose the Volume Boost option to increase your sound output. You can also fine-tune the sliders manually to adjust bass and overall loudness. But be careful not to push everything too high to avoid distortion. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to increase your laptop speaker volume on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.